Hi, I'm Anupam. I'm from UBM India. We come up with the security show called IPSEC and Homeland Security India. This year it's the 6th edition of this show, and this is one of the biggest security show which take place in India. And this year it's been scheduled from 1 to 3rd of November 2012 in India Expo Center, Greater Noida. This is a show wherein you can get all the security solution which you are looking for, as security is the need of our hour right now, and every place, everywhere we require security, whether it's home, whether it's retails, whether it's hospitals, whether it's travel, everywhere infrastructure we require security. So this is one show wherein you can come and see and experience the latest innovations and the products which are available in the market. Out here in this show we have more than 250 world-class companies displaying their product, and the product range from CCTV to intruder alarms to biometrics to access controls. Everything, whatever you can think about the security, it's present out there in this show, which is called IPSEC and Homeland Security India. So please be there and try to get maximum out of this show. Try to just see that what all is there in word, from where you can secure yourself, secure your premises, secure your workplace, secure wherever you are. So it's a request, and it's an invitation from all of us that try to be there, try to come and see that what all is there. See you from 1 to 3rd of November in India Expo Center, Greater Noida. Thanks.